Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Life with Nwarinma. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for coming in. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make tilapia fish. Like this video, subscribe, so your notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Let me take you straight into the video. Need fish, tilapia fish, ginger, garlic, fish seasoning, onion, spring onion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. I use green Scotch bonnet pepper with salt. I start off by washing the fish, making sure the fish is clean. So I'm slicing the fish. I'm slicing the spring onion. Now I'm blending the ginger, onion, and the garlic. I'm adding pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, green Scotch bonnet pepper, and spring onion. I add water for easy blending. Now I'm using olive oil. I'm going to use olive oil to fry the fish seasoning. So I'm adding dry pepper This is fish seasoning. You can get it in your local store. Not add Maggi when I'm mentioning the ingredients, but I'm going to add the cube. Then I add half a tablespoon of salt. So I have to put the sauce inside the fish. Guys, I finished mixing the fish, so I'm going to set it aside for the fish to marinate. I will leave it for 40 minutes. You can leave it as much as you want. The more you leave it, the better results. So I'm wrapping it with the cling foil. I left it for 40 minutes, so I'm going to transfer it to the oven. Now guys, I'm transferring it into the oven. I leave it in the oven for an hour in 200. I have to turn it over to the other side. So I'm turning it over now. It's hot, so you need to be careful. This is the finishing product, guys. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Like this video, subscribe, turn your notification on to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please, please, please share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye.